guys, welcome back. This is part 2 video of Axi doll crochet. I'm going to do body part with this black woolen thread. To do that, I'm going to start with the magic circle. First, to do magic circle, I'm going to do a simple knot. To do simple knot, just I'm going to put thread in a circle and pull the remaining tail from underneath like this and reduce the size of the thread. Then I am putting my crochet needle inside the simple knot and I am going to make 2 chains. First, for initial chain, I am going to pull it and tighten it to make the starting knot, and then I am going to do the chain. Chain 1, and then second chain. Now we have 2 chain, you can see here. Now I am going to leave the first chain and put my crochet needle inside the second chain, and I am going to do a single crochet in this chain, pulling my thread inside the chain and pulling one more thread inside these 2 chains. Now I am going to do 6 single crochet inside this chain to form a magic circle. Now our magic circle is completed. We have 6 single crochet in this. This is our first row. Now I am going to start making row 2. For row 2, I am going to make 2 single crochet in each chain. We have 6 chains, so I will do 2 single crochet in each. So we will get 12 chain at the end of row 2. Just skipping to the end of row 2, so we have 12 chain in row 2. Next I am going to start make row 3. For row 3 I am going to do 1 single crochet in the very first chain, and in next chain I am going to do 2 single crochet. I am going to follow the same for the rest of the row, that is 1 single crochet in first and 2 single crochet in the next chain. So we will get 18 chains at the end of row 3, you can see here. And then for row 4 I am going to do 1 single crochet in first, and in next chain I am going to do 1 more single crochet in second, and in third chain I am going to make 2 single crochet. This is our row 4. So at the end of row 4 we will get 24 chains. I am going to skip to the end of row 4. We have 24 chains here. Now I am going to start making row 5. In row 5 I am going to do single crochet in first 3 rings, and in 4th ring I am going to do 2 single crochet in the same ring. At the end of row 5 we will have 30 stitches at the end. Follow this pattern for row 5. You will get 30 stitches. I am going to skip next 3 rows. In the next row we will get 36 and then 42 and then 48 stitches. I am going to skip those 3 rows. Now you can see I have completed till row 8. Follow the pattern I have shown in the image to complete these next 3 rows. Now I am going to start row 9. For row 9 I am going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch. From row 8 we have 48 stitches, so for row 9 also we will get 48 stitches by doing single crochet in each stitch. I am going to follow the same till row 14. From row 9 to row 14 I am going to do 48 stitches for each row. Now you can see here, after completing row 14 we are getting the body part like a curve. The base of the body part is coming fine. Next I am going to do row 15. For row 15 I am going to do 14 stitches, 14 single crochet at first, and then I am going to do a decrease stitch in 15 and 16. I am going to follow the same. Then again I am going to do 14 single crochet and then 1 decrease stitch. Likewise I am going to do 3 times. So we will get 45 stitch at the end of this row. I am going to skip to the end of this row. Next for row 16 and 17 I am going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch. We have 45 stitch from the previous row, so we will do the same 45 for the next 2 rows. For remaining body part I have shown the pattern here. Follow this pattern to complete the body part. For full pattern check the description of this video. Now you can see here I have completed the body part. I have did totally 32 rows here. I have left the opening here. I am going to stuff cotton in this. After closing I am going to do decrease stitch to close this hole. I am going to continuously do the decrease stitch until the hole is closed. Completed the body part of the doll, hole is closed. Now the head part and the body part of the maxi doll is ready.